Looking after your boat is a time-consuming and costly business, so you want your paintwork to last as long as possible, whatever conditions are thrown at it. Today we want to share a few paint systems that will keep your fishing boat, narrowboat, yacht or cabin cruiser in top shape and make you the envy of the harbour or marina. Below the waterline. Forget the old bitumen blackening technique. It may be traditional, but there are more modern paint systems now that last longer and look so much better. We're fans of Jotun 90 in particular. It's a 2-pack marine grade epoxy mastic that can be used as a primer for all boat surfaces, both above and below the waterline. It seals, protects and acts as an undercoat for any top coat and won't need a recoat for a good 5 to 10 years. When applied to the correct dry film thickness, Jotun 90 provides long-lasting hull protection against river abrasion. It's also available in most RAL colours, so you can get creative or match to brand colours. You can apply Jotun 90 with a brush, roller or spray gun, making it a great choice for professional sprayers and DIYers alike. Above the waterline. We recommend sticking with Jotun products for the top side of your boat. The company has been manufacturing marine and shipping paints since the 1920s, and they produce some of the world's best performing marine coatings. If you're using Jotun 90 on your hull, then you can prime your roof and top sides with it too. Other options include Jotun Vineyard Silver Grey Primer and Pilot 2 Top Coat. These products are ready for use and can be applied with an air-assisted airless spray, brush or roller. For a hard-wearing top coat, you can't go wrong with either Hardtop XP or Hardtop AX. Both products offer high resistance to water on GRP, wood and steel boats. Hardtop AX has a slight edge on its gloss level, but you'll need spray equipment to apply it. If you're looking for a lower cost product with reliable wear ratings for marine, the Ultrimax system will do the trick. First, use Ultriprime as a base coat, followed by a top coat of Ultrithane. Again, you can spray, brush or roller these products. If you opt to use XP, Ultriprime, Ultrithane or Pilot 2, you may need to add some recommended thinners to help the product flow, especially if you're using a conventional spray gun. To make your vessel the head turner of the marine, finish your paintwork and plastics with a professional polish. We're big fans of the easy-to-use 3M compound and polish system. After priming it with Jotun 90 along with the rest of your boat, you'll need to create a non-slip surface with something like Ultramax anti-skid aggregate. This can be sprinkled onto the first wet coat of primer and then sealed with a further coat for an even non-slip finish. For a top coat, choose a product that offers superior resistance to water, abrasion, solvents and chemicals. Jotun Hardtop Flexi or XP will do the trick. If you have painted kitchen units or furniture, Sayerlack PU will give you a hard-wearing finish. It's a 2-pack system with excellent elasticity, UV stability and bonding properties for optimal protection. It's also fast drying and comes in a choice of high gloss, satin or matte finishes in a wide range of colours. For lacquered wood, the Sayerlack range of lacquer products is hard to beat for transparency and chemical resistance when used with a suitable hardener. So that's it! The complete range of paint systems for maintaining your boat. If you've got any questions or need help choosing a product, give us a shout on the number below, and thanks for watching.